Many people are intrigued by the concept of holistic health, while others dismiss it as a pseudoscience. But contrary to common misconceptions involving burning incense or doing ritualistic actions, holistic health is grounded in a comprehensive and interconnected approach to well-being. So stay tuned as we aim to uncover the true nature of holistic health, what it entails, and how it operates. Holistic health is a wellness approach that takes into account the entire person, body, mind, and emotions, acknowledging the interconnectedness of all aspects of our lives. The body is composed of matter, translating to energy and generating vibrations and frequencies. Nikola Tesla's wisdom emphasizes understanding the universe through energy, frequency, and vibration. All living beings, from bacteria to humans, process signals crucial for life. The intricate human brain processes billions of bits per second, maintaining health in homeostasis. These signals categorize into three: chemical, physical or mechanical, and emotional or mental, each equally vital. Movement energizes, nutrition influences well-being, and thoughts impact physiology such as blood pressure. Holistic health, then, is about understanding how all these factors interact to influence our health. It's not mystical or strange. It's simply a comprehensive approach that considers the entire person and treats all aspects of health. It emphasizes achieving balance and harmony to attain optimal health and well-being by addressing root causes of illness rather than just symptoms. There are various types of holistic health practitioners, including naturopathic doctors, acupuncturists, herbalists, nutritionists, and energy healers. Each brings their unique expertise into the field, but they all share the common goal of promoting balance and wellness. These practitioners employ a range of tools and techniques such as dietary and lifestyle changes, herbal remedies, acupuncture, energy healing, and stress management to help individuals achieve optimal health. By addressing all aspects of a person's life, they aim to identify and address the root causes of illness and disease, promoting deep healing. Holistic health coaches collaborate with clients to set health goals and develop personalized plans to achieve them. A key aspect of the role is providing support and accountability, helping clients stay on track and make necessary lifestyle changes. They also offer education on holistic health principles through workshops, classes, and one-on-one consultations, empowering clients to apply these principles in their lives. Incorporating holistic health into daily life doesn't have to be overwhelming. Simple steps like prioritizing self-care, cultivating a positive mindset, and creating a supportive environment can make a significant difference. Consistent effort and attention are essential for maintaining balance and wellness, as it's an ongoing process of nurturing oneself physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Here are some tips to help you maintain a holistic approach to health and wellness. Stay active. Consistent physical activity is vital for maintaining a healthy body and overall well-being. Whether you prefer the gentle movements of Pilates or the intensity of cardio workouts, engaging in activities that bring you joy on a regular basis is essential. Exercise not only strengthens the body and promotes good circulation, but also plays a crucial role in reducing stress and fostering positive thinking, which are integral components of holistic wellness. Regular physical activity has numerous benefits, including decreasing stress levels, improving sleep quality, and enhancing the immune system. Additionally, it offers valuable opportunities for much-needed alone time, even if it's just a brief period of each day. Make the most of any free moments you have by incorporating physical activity into your routine, whether it's taking a walk outdoors, practicing stretches at home, or attending classes at a local yoga studio. Prioritize activities that you find enjoyable and fulfilling. Cultivate positive relationships. Nurturing personal connections and dedicating time to self-care are fundamental aspects of leading a well-rounded, healthy lifestyle, aligning with a holistic wellness approach. Engage in self-reflection to gain insight into your life's purpose and identify activities that bring you inner peace. Embracing creativity and playful pursuits can strengthen your connection with yourself. Prioritize self-care through practices like yoga, meditation, exercise, nutritious eating, and adequate sleep to achieve equilibrium in life. Social interactions, whether with friends or acquaintances, contribute significantly to emotional well-being. These interactions foster bonds, cultivate trust, and support healing processes tailored to individual needs. Set aside time for activities that rejuvenate you, like taking a bath, reading, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Engaging with communities and meeting new people can enhance self-esteem and provide valuable support networks. Dedicate regular time each week to participate in community events or social gatherings to expand your social circle and foster meaningful connections. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is a vital yet sometimes underestimated aspect of holistic wellness. It goes beyond physical recovery, impacting our mental well-being. Insufficient and restless sleep not only affects mood regulation but also impairs brain function, resulting in fatigue. It's important to aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure optimal performance of both body and mind during waking hours. Prioritizing sleep allows us to function at our best and maintain overall well-being. Engage in mindful eating. Achieving balance in our lives involves considering how we nourish ourselves, not just physically, but also mentally and spiritually. Start by practicing mindfulness during meals. Take a moment to slow down and fully appreciate the food you're consuming. Be conscious of what you're eating, how much you're consuming, and the reasons behind your eating habits. Consider whether a particular food will truly benefit your body. If not, it might be best to refrain from indulging. Nutrition plays a vital role in both our physical and mental well-being. Therefore, maintaining a balanced diet rich in whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains is crucial. A balanced diet not only provides energy for daily activities, but also aids in repairing muscle tissues, which can help alleviate chronic pain issues for some individuals. Remember to stay hydrated. It's common to forget about staying adequately hydrated, especially amid a busy schedule. However, maintaining proper hydration is crucial for holistic well-being, given that a significant portion of our bodies consists of water. Hydration not only keeps us alert, but also enhances metabolism and contributes to heart health and skin well-being. Strive to consume at least 8 cups of water daily, ensuring sufficient hydration, particularly if you engage in regular exercise or reside in warmer climates. Integrate meditation into your holistic well-being practice. A pivotal element of holistic well-being is the consistent practice of meditation. Meditation serves as an effective means to alleviate stress, foster concentration, and enhance self-awareness. It enables mindfulness, providing clarity about thoughts and emotions. To initiate a meditation practice, designate a comfortable and tranquil space, either within your home or outdoors, assuming a relaxed sitting or lying position, focusing on your breath and the present moment. When stray thoughts enter your mind, observe them without judgment, gently guiding your attention back to your breath. Meditation facilitates mental clarity, stress reduction, and heightened creativity and focus. Given the diverse forms of meditation, explore various techniques until you discover the one that resonates with you. Embracing a holistic approach to health can positively impact your overall well-being. By addressing all aspects of your life, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, you can achieve balance and optimal health. Whether you choose to work with a holistic health practitioner or incorporate holistic practices into your daily life independently, the benefits of holistic health are undeniable. Take the first step today and start exploring the world of holistic wellness to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. We hope you find this video helpful. Like and subscribe to this channel to see more contents like this. Thank you for watching.